How to use Shopify's abandoned cart recovery. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Shopify store owners, listen up. Abandoned carts can cost you sales, but fear not. Today's video, we reveal how to leverage Shopify's built-in abandoned cart recovery feature, all within a minute. An abandoned cart happens when a customer adds items to their cart but exits your store before completing the purchase. To recover those lost sales, head to your Shopify admin and click on Orders. In the Orders drop-down menu, select Abandoned Checkout. This section lists all the carts customers did not complete. So let's go to Abandoned Checkout. I have no abandoned checkouts right now, but if you have ones, you can find them here and recover them from here. You can also email customers a link to their cart so they can finalize their purchase. You can customize your email however you wish to attract clients. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.